juggled the pass on the interior. Blake's hesitation move, kicks it out. Amaze going strong to the rack, and one Robin Amaze going right at the body of Greg Whittington. Harrison watching Amaze slip rather than dropping Amaze, but got to rise out of the crowd. Jones, screen, Augusti, sky over boom, and dropping the vicious alley-oop. 19-26. Augusti again, and this time gently lays it up into the bucket as Augusti working on that pick and roll, and he has found success. Set offense here. Screen coming. High-low game. Arslan with the open free ball. Arslan says finally and thank you. UCLA Bruin over to Whittington. Lazarick Jones off the screen, crossing over. He's got the mismatch on Booth. And as the buzzer sound, it's Lazarick Jones who pops the three as the buzzer went. Hobbs finally opening things up from behind the arc. Give a lot of credit to Galatasaray. Blake's and one as he went behind the back and absorbed the contact. Harrison now. Beautiful pass down low. Arslan with a no-look dive. And Augustin is there with the flush. Blake's, well, fitting defensive end to the game for Galatasaray, who turned it on in the fourth quarter when they needed it. The Turks go to 2-0. Oldenburg drops to 0-2.
I can say that it wasn't about basketball. It was about totally energy. We start the game very slow. Our pace was so slow. So the second quarter, and I think, last part of the game, our pace is really high.